This is the mushroom lamp. Now it's small, antique looking. It's a single piece of hand blown glass with the light attachment connected in with the cord at the base. There's an on-off switch on the base, and it comes with a bulb, an LED bulb that I put in. Thank you for sending it to us to compare and share. It is a beautiful little piece of artwork that provides light that you can have around your house, and it comes in various styles and colors. This is the striped white style, and of course you can get it in other colors. So it also comes with a nice little card that has a beautiful poem in it. So there's simple instructions, yet the other piece of paper is this beautiful poem. So go check it out.